Good day, sir, madam. I am Miss Ana Marie Calmante, 35 years old. I have one child. I am undergraduate as a Bachelor Elementary Education. My working experience as a domestic helper in Lebanon. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the babies, washing, ironing, and cooking.
Hi, Miss Ana Marie. How are you today?
I am fine, sir, madam.
What are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
I will do my duties, and I am honest, loyal, and hardworking.
What made you decide to work in abroad again?
To earn money and to help my family.
So can you tell us how to take care of newly born baby?
I will give them milk and give them vitamins and taking bath.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me. I will do my best and finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Ana Marie, and hope to see you soon.
Okay, thank you, sir, madam.